we going today?
Feed the goat!
Yay! Zayan, are you excited?
Yes! I'm excited
Wait.
too!
Okay, let's go. Makcik.
To the goat!
Hey, I want to talk to you.
What?
Feed the goat!
Okay, let's go and feed the goat. Let's go.
Yahoo! Yeah, 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 yeah!
What your hand? Dia dia. Oh, dah sampai sini. Oh my god, I can smell it.
Smell the goat shit.
Where are we going?
Goat sheep,
Goat farm.
goat farm. Look, is that the goat farm?
Yes.
Look, look, I can see the goat now.
It's our second time kat sini.
There's a goat farm.
Oh, pakai t-shirt kita pakai macam nak pergi. Ini sampah ni. Tengok ni.
Okay, let's buy the sayur-sayur. Sayur-sayur.
I said to my goat.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Zayan.
Okay, we take 3 first. One more. You take one more. You take one more, Zura. Come. Come. Can you take? Boleh lah. Okay, we take one more. Come. To Zayan.
Ini
One, 3.
free ya?
Yeah. Let me pay now. Okay, come. Let's feed the goat. Back. Oh, okay.
Hold my hand. I mean, there's another goat. So many goats.
Ah, the pictures of the goat.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need 6 goats.
Okay, come. Let's go.
I need 6 goats. Hello goats. Hello goats. Hello goats. Hello goats. Hello goats. Hello goats. Wow. It's so very.
Mama tahu bawa perfume lah tadi.
After.
Sih. Nanti kan dia punya bau dia stick kat baju lah.
I open this one. Come here. There. Oh, the goat there. Come.
Oh, the goat.
Yeah.
Come on. Let's go.
No. Let's open this.
So this is where the goats are kept at goat feeding.
Hey, goat. Goat. I want to. What?
Tapi takut nanti dia you take out like abang.
Tak apa, diorang memang buat ni.
Eh.
Dah, go there.
Yeah, in front.
I want to go that way.
No, adik, like this. Abang, like this.
Hey.
There.
I got some.
Okay.
Upstick.
There. No, don't do that. Feed.
Ah. Hey, go. Go. Oh.
Sini nak, sini.
Hey.
There.
Ah.
Okay.
You scared lah Zayan?
I'm
Nampak?
scared.
Your baju kot.
Apa?
Dah.
Hey.
Relax, Zura. Relax, relax.
Ah. Whoa. Hey, good. Good. I want to eat food. I like to eat.
Okay, come Zura, let's go.
Now we go to the next one. We go to the next one. Depan pun ada goat juga.
Don't want lah, go sleeping lah.
Hey.
Slowly, slowly, slowly.
See?
Kita naik mountain lah.
I didn't realize the goat.
Pull adik, pull adik. Kau?
Ayo.
Ini dia punya ni ah.
Goat! Goat, what are you doing? I didn't fit. I can fit the goat. Yummy! Yummy! Ah!
Nice.
Yummy! Where's
Zayan, dia nak makan lah. Depankan sikit. You in front a bit the... Eh, dia nak makan. In front a bit, in front a bit.
Goat! Goat!
There, come. Give this one also.
Goat! I need goat. Hey!
You hungry? No? See, Zura, there's 4 goats waiting for you to feed them. They are very, very hungry.
We are done with the goat farm feeding. How was it? Good. Do you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Wow, you so sweaty ah. Where's the mic? Never bring the mic.
Apa ya? Pasal tak ada angin kuat.
Okay, now we are. Everybody is all drinking milk, Milo, change of diaper.
Easy.
Mak kan?
Okay, so now we are going to Sentosa Cable Car.
Oi. To what?
Actually,
To ride the cable car.
yeah.
We are still tourists today. Just to bring the kids out.
Okay lah.
Bye.
Ciao. and they're gone. Harun.
Kalau Singapore gini je, Bik.
Okay.
Come, gerak, you see ya. Padahal boleh pergi Vivo je, Syah.
Apa dah?
Naik cable car.
Tapi okey lah. Pasal budak-budak pun boleh experience juga. Okay, so we were from Mount Faber, stopping at Harbourfront, kita makan. Then after makan, maybe jalan-jalan sekejap kat Vivo. Then we are apa ni? Kita sambung balik naik cable car. Then patah balik Mount Faber. So let's go.
Belum. Plup. Ai.
Okay, now we are at Dip and Dip. And what are you drinking today? Strawberry milkshake.
Milkshake.
Strawberry milkshake.
I love it. Okay.
Hey, wait. Okay, later when the strawberry milkshake come, we take video together, okay?
I want to
Wait. Wait, this one cannot.
Tak boleh. Dia nak kena satu tuang kan. Dia tumpah kalau. Wait. No more.
Wow, Zora, your strawberry milkshake come. You must show your face. How you show your happy face? Show your happy face. Wow. Nice.
Belum lah.
You must show your happy face to the camera. You like the strawberry milkshake?
Makan.
Ni habis kan? Saya belanja.
Itu comot.
Ada connection tak? You beli phone? I nak buat mana kalau wifi ya?
lah, so that's all for today. I really enjoy today punya activity. I think the kids pun enjoy jugalah, very productive. So maybe next time is I see what other things that we can do with the kids. Macam we have activities, keep them occupied lah. Okay, so that's all. Hope you all enjoy the video. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.